Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for honest and detailed beauty reviews. Today, we're diving into a game-changing tool for your skincare routine, the PMD Personal Microderm Elite Pro. This at-home microdermabrasion system promises to give you that salon-like glow, all from the comfort of your home. Let's break down how well it really performs, shall we? The PMD Personal Microderm Elite Pro is a powerful device designed to exfoliate your skin and remove dead skin cells, helping to reveal a smoother, fresher complexion. It comes with an exfoliating crystal disc and a vacuum suction feature, combining the power of microdermabrasion with the benefits of suction to improve your skin's texture and tone. It offers 3 speed settings, giving you control over the intensity, and the device is suitable for both your face and body. Whether you're looking to tackle fine lines, sunspots, or just achieve an overall refreshed appearance, this could be your new best friend. So how did it fare during my testing? The device is lightweight and easy to handle, making it comfortable to use on both smaller areas like the face and larger areas like the body. The ergonomic design allows for a good grip, and I didn't experience any discomfort during the process. When it comes to performance, I was impressed with the 3 different speed settings. The higher settings definitely deliver a more intense exfoliation, but I found the lower setting to be perfect for my more sensitive areas. The suction power is noticeable but not overwhelming, and the exfoliating crystals do a solid job of sloughing off dead skin without feeling too harsh. I've been using the PMD Personal Microderm Elite Pro a few times a week, and I've seen a noticeable difference in the smoothness of my skin. The results aren't immediate, but after a few weeks of consistent use, my skin looks fresher and some of my fine lines appear softened. If you're looking for instant gratification, this isn't a quick fix tool, but the long-term results are definitely there. When it comes to the pros and cons, let's start with the good stuff. The PMD device is easy to use, and the 3 speed options give you customization based on your skin's needs. The vacuum suction combined with the exfoliating crystals provides a unique dual action effect that leaves skin feeling incredibly smooth. The machine is also quite portable, so it's great for travel, and the fact that it can be used on both face and body adds versatility. On the flip side, there are a couple of downsides to keep in mind. The initial investment is on the higher side, and it may not be the best option for those who are just dipping their toes into skincare devices. While it's great for exfoliating, it can be a little too intense for very sensitive skin or certain areas around the eyes. Additionally, the suction can sometimes feel a bit strong if you're not careful, especially at higher speeds, so it requires a bit of practice to get used to. As for the value, the PMD Personal Microderm Elite Pro is certainly a premium product. Its price reflects its quality and performance, but it may be a bit of a splurge for some. If you're someone who invests in high-end skincare tools and likes the idea of professional-level exfoliation at home, then the price might be worth it. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, there are other at-home microdermabrasion tools that provide similar results at a lower price point, though they may not have the same level of customization or intensity. In terms of build quality, the device feels solid and well-made, with durable materials that should last through regular use. The design is sleek and modern, and the addition of multiple suction levels adds to its overall versatility. The battery life is decent, and I've had no issues with it losing power too quickly. Customer support from PMD Beauty has been well regarded in the industry, with responsive service and helpful resources available online. If you ever need assistance, their customer care team seems quite reliable. If you're looking for something similar but a bit more affordable, you might want to explore alternatives like the Michael Todd Beauty Soniclear Elite or the Trophy Skin Rejuvenate MD. These options may not offer the same intensity as the PMD, but they do provide effective exfoliation and might be a good fit for someone who's more budget conscious or new to the concept of at-home microdermabrasion. To wrap things up, the PMD Personal Microderm Elite Pro is a solid choice for those who want to invest in a professional-grade exfoliation tool for home use. It's especially beneficial for those looking to tackle fine lines, sunspots, or just want that radiant glow. While it's a bit of an investment, the results speak for themselves. smoother, brighter, and more youthful-looking skin with consistent use. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us continue to bring you honest reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried the PMD Personal Microderm Elite Pro, drop a comment below to let us know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.